Chief Minister Biren has sent out stern warning against individuals who engage themselves in posting communal and inciting contents on social media. The statement was made during a press meet held at Chief Minister's Secretariat today. Speaking further, Chief Minister Biren also informed that the election of local bodies such as panchayat and municipalities will be conducted if prevailing tensions subside in the state. While coming down heavily on social media users, Chief Minister Biren warned the public, especially page admins, to refrain from uploading posts which can create tensions among the public, and informed that the authority will start arresting those who upload anti-national and communal posts on social media, and they will be punished accordingly. He mentioned that people involved in storming residences of MLAs and ministers were also punished and FIR were registered against them. The Chief Minister said those engaging in such anti-national and illegal activities will lose their chance of becoming government employee. Chief Minister Biren further also warned organizations who are involved in tarnishing the image of some individuals by posting clarification videos through coercion. Meanwhile, answering to reporters, the Chief Minister also explained that the election for local bodies such as ADC, municipality and panchayat have been put on hold due to the ongoing conflict. However, any related works are still undergoing. He added that the government will conduct the election in tensions subside in the state. Chief Minister Biren further informed that the number of Indigo flight service on Delhi to Imphal route might increase by 2 starting from February 16, and that the government has also planned to initiate functioning of 2 more heli service in the state. Speaking about his mission against poppy plantation, Chief Minister maintained that drive to destroy poppy cultivation at Saikul and Kangpokpi will continue further.
Social media da yamna taba nungaitaba wahi wata sinaba pabada nungaitaba wahi wata iraga social media da thagalakba social media si communalization tongna gi tool do moina season kodong tawba adagi imung manungi yamna immoral oiba mama masa machin manau phamakanda taba yadaba authority dongna nupi angang kainoma khadaba isu social media da wa hangakanda nang nupa du kayara koiba chali ga haibu yamna upward toiba yamna uncivilized oiba kayam yamna chawruba kayam yamna lingable lupno khulai paiba kangbu no mokhoi da kana authorized towi adugumba mi gi private life ki hak matla kana moina mayam da khongoi nariba maduna aphabarom da laadi phaba phattabarom da laganda hauraiba kimi mirol sai su sinde hena maduna colored to honbagi pot laiba aduna madu yam nungaite aduna right from today onward YouTuber sing aduga page hangiba Facebook da karida hangiba mayam be careful discrimination to wiri baduna khangmang maktabagi mi do society ro ya madugi responsibility do madugi Facebook page du madu dai pugudam ne to development ki to social ki to politics ki to whatever yai but me ki personal life da me ki individual character da me ki family ki da assassinate character assassination to bugumba insult to bugumba se yam toina ure madu hayeng pharpa kanda yam sathina sokani